Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with a purchase that I made from Mindless Crafting. And I gotta tell you guys, I like my purchase. First off, I got these 2 gel pens which came wrapped in a plastic Ziploc bag and taped, which is good, so they don't slip out or, you know. And then, oops, let me get the rest of this out. I got another one of the Prima paper pads. And it, let me see. Let me open this up with my tiny little pink scissors. Snip on that side. And then we're going to have a little snip on this side. And we have it opened up. Now this is Prima. I have another book like this. And this is the 6x6 paper. I have an idea what I'm going to do with it. And they all double-sided. And it does repeat. So I think there's 4 pages of each. See, it's double-sided. See? Oh, it is. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. There's 5 sheets of each. So, I wonder what I'm going to do. And there's this one with the flowers and the little bee. Well, bees. There's one here, one over here. They're all over the place, okay? Then there's this one with flowers, more bees, and butterflies. And here's some cut aparts. I love the music on this one. Here's that one. And here's the, this looks like a honeycomb. You see? That looks like a honeycomb almost. Then there's this one that has some design, well, wording on the back, script on the back. And then here's this one. And then we have the cut aparts, which is going to be good for something that I have an idea for. Then we have the plaid on the back. Then we have the wine glasses with flowers in it. Then this on the back with script here. Then we have this one. This one looks like an old, this is a collage page, which I like. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. And that's the end of that one. And here's the back of that one. And then I also bought another Christmas one. Snip it there. Snip it there. And pull it apart. I'm going to go back and fold the tape so my pages don't get stuck to it. Fold that one. Okay. Now here's the, I love this paper here. And these are single-sided, and I believe they do repeat. So we have this one with the poinsettias. And it looks like a rose here. And these 2 are roses. And the ornaments. I love this kind of ornament. I love that. It gives me ideas. And they got some pine cones. Here's the wood one. And if you notice, this one here goes with this page here. And this one goes with a page that's way in the back. Here's the one that goes with this one. Okay, so I'm going to use these strips at the top too. Here's all poinsettias. This is another page I love out of this book. Here's the plaid. More Christmas ornaments. Here's the buffalo plaid. And here we start over again. No, this is the first page. I don't see that. Well, not the first page, but no, okay. More poinsettias with roses. I love that. Snowflake. Here's another buffalo plaid. Music, no. This is just a background. Here's another background. Polka dotted background. I want to check something. Okay. This is all ornaments, and this one here, I have an idea that I'm going to show you a tip with. And here's that one. Now this one's awesome. I can't wait to start working with this. It won't be this year because, no. Here's some pine branches with the pine cones on them. There's some little red berries. Aha, here's where we start over. And then it just repeats itself through the whole book. The rest of the book just repeats itself, okay? And on top of that, I have one of her new release stamps, which is called Happy Place. Now, she has a stamp set that has this and this in it, the heart. But I like this because of the sentiments in it, and this right here, and the little girl in the window. Now, I have ideas to make different cards and different backgrounds with this, and I will show you guys in a video. So again, I got the Happy Place stamp set, the Prima paper 6x6. This one is what company? Bo Bunny, and this is the 6x8 paper pad, and also my 2 gel pens. So I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.